We're gonna do the installation of the JK tailgate hinge covers. I'm gonna wipe this down with an alcohol pad to get that dirt off, like so. And we're gonna use some adhesion promoter, get the area tacky. And you're going to take your cover, peel the tape off. Like that. And then we're going to align it and press. There for a minute. It's nice and warm out today, so should adhere pretty well. And then we're gonna do. All right. So one thing to note: this end piece is a different size than this one. The one down at the bottom is narrower, so you want to make sure you have the right cap. These pieces are the same on both of them, but the top piece, I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, I was just saying. This off. Tricky little sucker. Here. And just put it over here and push. And there you have it.